The first thing that comes to mind is when we were doing an investigation at Amaril fell in. We were using a device called the Phasma box, which allows us to intentionally and immediately communicate with spirits. Through that Phasma box, we weren't just getting voices, we were also getting sounds. And the sounds that were coming through sounded like ship horns. To this day, and this has been several years ago, to this day, we have never heard that come through the Phasma box again. So it was interesting because we're at Admiral Fell, right next to where the ships were coming in, and it's never happened ever again.